Welcome to the Digital Shift by Blockbeat, the ultimate crypto news and data terminal. I'm your host, Alex, and in each episode, we'll dive into the most intriguing and impactful stories shaping the cryptocurrency space. We're here to bring you expert analysis, exclusive insights, and the latest developments to keep you informed and ahead of the curve. So let's get started with this week's most exciting and important stories. First, let's discuss a development that could significantly impact the crypto market's integration with Wall Street. A new infrastructure using Fix protocol is being developed to help bridge the gap between traditional finance and digital assets. This plumbing would make it easier for financial institutions to access and participate in the growing cryptocurrency market. This could be a game changer, potentially leading to an influx of institutional investment and further adoption of digital assets. In another exciting development, Zimbabwe is reportedly planning to introduce a gold-backed digital currency. This move could help stabilize the country's economy and provide a more reliable alternative to the Zimbabwean dollar, which has suffered from hyperinflation in the past. If successful, this initiative could pave the way for other countries to explore similar gold-backed digital currencies. Now, let's turn our attention to the NFT market. Sales on Ethereum have been slumping, but Polygon, Cardano, and Solana have experienced a rise in NFT sales. This trend shows that alternative platforms are becoming more popular for NFT trading, as they often offer lower fees and faster transactions compared to Ethereum. This could lead to increased competition in the NFT space and potentially drive further innovation in the market. The Bahamas is also seeking to tighten its crypto laws following the collapse of FTX. The country's government is working on new regulations to address potential risks and ensure the stability of its growing cryptocurrency industry. Coinbase Prime and Talos are teaming up to meet rising institutional demand for crypto trading. This partnership could result in more efficient and accessible trading solutions for institutional investors, potentially leading to greater adoption of crypto by these entities. USDC stablecoin issuer Circle claims that the stablecoin was strengthened by the US banking crisis in March. This highlights the potential role of stablecoins as a safe haven during periods of financial instability. Social media app MeWe is integrating Frequency's blockchain-based self-sovereign identity solution for its 20 million users. This partnership showcases the growing interest in decentralized identity solutions and their potential to transform the way we interact online. A new crypto custody firm is being launched by XA16Z Engineering and security experts. This venture could lead to enhanced security and protection for digital assets, making the crypto space more appealing to both retail and institutional investors. In other news, a recent report revealed that Zimbabwe is planning to introduce a gold-backed digital currency. The country's central bank governor announced that this move aims to address the current challenges in the financial sector and increase the convenience of transactions for both consumers and businesses. A gold-backed digital currency could significantly affect the stability and trust in the nation's currency and might inspire other countries to follow suit. Another interesting development comes from Terra's founder, Do Kwon, who is seeking to have the charges filed against him by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) dismissed. Kwon argues that the SEC's allegations are baseless and that they failed to provide sufficient evidence to support their claims. The outcome of this case could set a precedent for future cases involving digital assets and the SEC. Speaking of the SEC, its chairman, Gary Gensler, has released another video taking a dig at the crypto industry. While the video doesn't provide much new information, it serves as a reminder that the SEC continues to monitor the crypto space closely and intends to enforce regulations as need. On the topic of regulations, the U.S. Congress is reintroducing a bill that calls for the federal government to study terrorist uses for crypto. This move underscores the government's concerns about the potential misuse of digital assets by malicious actors and could lead to further regulations in the future. Moving on to non-fungible tokens, Recent data shows that NFT sales on Polygon, Cardano, and Solana are on the rise, while Ethereum NFT sales have slumped. This trend indicates that newer blockchains are gaining traction in the NFT market, possibly due to lower fees and faster transaction times. In the world of decentralized finance, decentralized exchange, Merlin and security auditor CertiK plan to compensate users impacted by a recent rug pull incident. The companies have committed to compensating affected users with a total of $2 million, demonstrating their commitment to user protection in the DeFi space. Crypto storage provider Zodia Custody has raised $36 million in a funding round led by SBI Holdings and Standard Chartered. The funds will be used to expand the company's services and develop new solutions for institutional clients. In partnership news, Google Cloud is joining forces with Polygon to help accelerate the growth of the blockchain network. The collaboration aims to enhance the scalability and performance of Polygon's infrastructure, making it even more attractive for developers and users alike. In a surprising move, Apple is reportedly planning to remove the Bitcoin white paper from its next MacBook update. While the reason for this decision remains unclear, it has sparked considerable debate within the cryptocurrency community. In Hong Kong, regulators are set to reveal new guidelines for crypto exchange licenses in May. The updated rules are expected to provide more clarity for companies operating in the region and could lead to increased interest from global investors. Bitget, a leading cryptocurrency exchange, has pledged $10 million to support the growth of the Fetch AI ecosystem amid the recent boom in ChatGPT technology. This investment highlights the growing interest in artificial intelligence and its potential applications within the crypto space. FTX, debtors are selling the futures and options clearinghouse unit Ledger X in a recent development. This move follows the exchange's struggles and could potentially impact the broader crypto derivatives market. In another surprising turn of events, Binance US has called off its $1.3 billion deal for Voyager's assets. The decision could have significant implications for both companies and the broader cryptocurrency market. Coinbase has filed a legal challenge against the SEC, pushing the regulatory agency to write clearer rules for the crypto industry. The outcome of this case could have a substantial impact on the future regulatory landscape for digital assets in the United States. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, is making a push into the metaverse and AI space. CEO Mark Zuckerberg has announced plans to hire 10,000 engineers in Europe to work on the company's metaverse and artificial intelligence projects. This development highlights the growing convergence of social media, virtual reality, and cryptocurrency. The Russian central bank has announced that its central bank digital currency, the digital ruble, is ready for launch by the end of the year. The introduction of the digital ruble could have a significant impact on the country's financial system and the global CBDC landscape. And lastly, a weakening US dollar is reportedly leading to increased interest in Bitcoin, as concerns about inflation and economic uncertainty continue to grow. Investors are increasingly turning to digital assets as a potential store of value and hedge against traditional markets. And that wraps up this week's episode of The Digital Shift by Blockbeat. We hope you enjoyed our discussion on these intriguing developments in the crypto world. Remember to subscribe to our podcast for the latest updates, and don't forget to follow us on social media for even more insights into the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency. I'm your host, Alex, and until next time, stay tuned for more exciting news from the ever-evolving world of digital assets.